Welcome to the heart of custom bag manufacturing. Ever wondered how those stylish and durable canvas tote bags come to life? Today, we're taking you inside our state of the art factory located in Xiling, Guangzhou, the renowned hub for bag production. Our process starts with meticulous sampling, where every detail is crafted to perfection to match your unique vision. Whether you need OEM services to bring your existing designs to life or ODM expertise to develop something entirely new, we've got you covered. We specialize in creating high-quality custom bags that stand out in the market. Every step, from cutting the fabric to the final quality inspection, is carried out with the utmost precision and care. So if you're looking for a reliable partner to turn your bag ideas into reality, look no further. Click the link below to explore how we can help you create the perfect canvas tote bags and more for your brand.